best friend and teammate. I am so lucky and grateful to have found you. You are loving, respectful, honest. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, and grow with you.
Margie, you are kind, beautiful, loyal, and without question, the best thing that has ever happened to me. Besides those qualities, it doesn't hurt that your cooking could put Rachel Ray to shame. Though it may be hard to believe, I knew in our first hour together I wanted to marry you.
A marriage makes two fractional lives a whole. It gives to two purposeless lives a work and doubles the strength of each to perform it. It gives to two questioning natures a reason for living and something to live for. It will give a new gladness to the sunshine, a new fragrance to the flowers, a new beauty to the earth, and a new mystery to life.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Karen, Margie's mom, and today I became Graham's mother-in-law. In August 2015, 10 days after Margie moved to Santa Monica, she called and said, I met someone. First date, they went surfing. Job, film industry, and he likes to go to Grateful Dead concerts. It wasn't too long after Margie's move out west that we flew out and eventually met Graham. After our first meeting, Graham had us. Graham's infectious smile and incredible personality doesn't compare to how he treats our Marge. We were thrilled and knew their permanent connection was imminent.
I promise to always be your biggest supporter, to read every script you write, and to love them all, with very minimal notes. I promise to love you and be by your side through all the days and nights of our lives. May we raise many surfer groms and have crazy adventures as we grow our family and grow old together.
So tonight I end my thoughts with some inspiring words from the Grateful Dead. Life only comes around once, so do whatever makes you happy and be with whoever makes you smile. Please raise your glasses to Marjorie Grace and Graham Lewis Clark. May your marriage be filled with love and I love you both.
Your gorgeous smile, intoxicating personality, and thirst for life floored me before I could think twice. I'm the luckiest man in the world to be standing beside you today. I vow to be present, faithful, and true, to treat you with the respect you deserve, and to grow together as one, no matter how messy you leave the kitchen following a cake extravaganza. But ultimately, I vow to support, honor, and love you every day for the rest of my life.
I present you with Margie and Graham Clark.